Now beginners can easily build DIY projects with Langex. This real-time temperature monitoring demo is made with Langex. Let's go through the steps to build it with Langex. You'll need a solderless breadboard and an ESP32 development board, a DS18B20 temperature sensor module, and a 0.96-inch I to see OLED display module. First, open Langex ALE Blockly. Click to create a new project. Search for ESP32 in the top left corner. Select the ESP32 development board from the list. Create a new project for your ESP32. Click the icon in the top right corner. Select proxy mode for the AI assistant. Copy and paste your requirement into the prompt box. Clearly describe what you want to achieve in the prompt. List all the modules you're using in this project. Click Send to start AI code generation. The AI will automatically generate the code for your project. Once done, click Build to compile the code. The right panel will show pin assignments for each module. Follow the pinout instructions provided there. Start wiring your components to the ESP32. If you're unsure about the wiring, ask Langex's built-in AI. You're now ready to upload firmware to the board. Prepare a USB data cable for the ESP32 and connect. Select the correct COM port for your ESP32 board. The COM port number may differ on other computers. Here we're using COM7. Click Upload. The old display will now show real-time temperature readings. No matter what creative ideas you have, Langex can help you turn them into working projects. Share your new projects and ideas on the Project Hub.
Nice.